everyone, in today's video I'm back again with another work from home opportunity that requires you to do captioning from a company called ClearCaption, which is a call captioning service that provides near real-time display of callers' words during phone conversation. This service is intended to people with hearing loss that inhibits them from using phone. The captioning services is actually free for anybody who has issues with hearing, and this is provided by Federal Communication Commission. The open position that I'm going to talk about is call center operation quality assurance analyst, which is 100% remote. If you click on this particular job, they'll tell us who they are and the position summary. The quality assurance analyst is an exciting multi-faced position that requires an effective candidate with varied skills and ability. The quality assurance analyst will perform tasks involving quality assurance training, training assistance, reporting, ad hoc support for product. The quality assurance analyst will analyze, evaluate performance, develop scripts and audio files. The quality assurance position will interact with teams in different locations in and outside of the country. This position best suits someone who enjoys working on their own, setting goals and consistently meeting them. You'll be expected to work independently with little daily oversight or supervision, must exercise sound business judgment in matters that directly affect the company's compliance with FCC regulation, assist in design, development and implementation of advanced tools with regards to national and international quality assurance program, work collaboratively with decision making, power interdepartmental and with employee customers on various projects, write test scripts, perform mock test calls and remotely monitor calls, evaluate calls via remote monitor, scripted calls and recorded calls, discern meaning from listening to variety of accent, regional dialects and areas of knowledge, participate in calibration session of call center staff, provide feedback to team and call center team leaders and managers, subject matter experts on quality tools, plan, implement, and or participate in calibration of QA activities, analyze data to identify pattern, trends, anomalies, create reports and interpret, explain data and to solve problems, set your own schedule and meet deadlines on daily, weekly and monthly basis to meet business, team, individual goals. May be required to use personal or independent judgment and discretion in matters directly impacting agents' employment status. These matters may include but not limited to quality and SL standards, program and procedures run in the call center, matters of FCC compliance as well as confidently and ethics must support the business 24/7, which will regularly involve duties outside of their regular work hours, primary business hours, M to F. However, some activities may be required outside of normal business hours. Use independent judgment to implement improvement programs with various subcontractor companies which impact ClearCaptions. May provide oversight and implement procedures for recruitment and hiring activities of the subcontractor call center. They're looking for versatile people who thrive on variety and challenge, excited about working in a fast-paced environment, innate problem solvers who want to grow in flexible and collaborative culture, takes initiative, pushes boundaries, motivated to innovate, and qualification, associate or bachelor degree in preferred but not required, direct work experience in quality assurance preferred, proficiency in Microsoft Office 365 products, intermediate knowledge in Excel preferred, including the ability to extract raw data from multiple sources to create a report, excellent English language, written and oral communication. Experience with the following is a plus, that is captioning, customer service, sales, technical support, process innovation and documentation production, knowledge of previous experience with Salesforce software. Physical demands. Employees may experience the following physical demands for extended periods of time. Employees may experience the following, that is sitting and standing and walking 95 to 100, keyboarding 70 to 90%, viewing computer monitor, tablet, cell phone require close vision, that is 70 to 90%. Work environment 100% remote, and work environment is primarily indoors at home, customer or vendor site, or business meeting venue, exposure to all type of weather and temperature condition during travel. So it's actually fully remote, you can work from anywhere. Compensation, they pay around $22 an hour to 26. So you can be able to check for this position that is available and apply for it. And this position, I think it's only for people in US, so I'll leave the link within the description box for people to check it out and be able to apply. But you can also do your due diligence by researching if your country is eligible. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video, and bye.